One reason why your lawnmower is very hard to start. It's because the throttle cable is not set correctly. If you can see, the choke is partially open. It should be fully close, especially when the engine is cold. In this case, the choke is not set correctly. It's partially open. It should be fully closed. Let's adjust the throttle cable. Pull the throttle cable all the way back until it pushes the linkage of the choke, and fully close it. And now this is how it should work. This is the choke linkage, and it should close the choke. And now I'm going to put the throttle on fully choke, and if you can see, it's fully closed now. And this is the kill switch. It should touch the kill switch as well when you pull back the throttle. That is the kill switch to stop the engine. Thanks for watching and follow for more.